The difference between werden and würden. The German verbs are both auxiliary verbs that can be used to express the future tense. However, there are some important differences between the two verbs. Werden is the more common of the two verbs and is used to express the future in a straightforward, objective way. For example, ich werde morgen ins Kino gehen. I will go to the movies tomorrow. Die Sonne wird morgen scheinen. The sun will shine tomorrow. Der Zug wird 10 Uhr abfahren. The train will depart at 10 o'clock. Würden is used to express the future in a more conditional or hypothetical way. For example, ich würde gerne ins Kino gehen, aber ich habe keine Zeit. I would like to go to the movies, but I don't have time. Die Sonne würde morgen scheinen, aber es ist bewölkt. The sun would shine tomorrow, but it's cloudy. Der Zug würde 10 Uhr abfahren, aber er hat Verspätung. The train would depart at 10 o'clock, but it's delayed. Würden can also be used to express a wish or desire. For example, ich würde gerne reich sein. I wish I were rich. Ich würde gerne mit dir ausgehen. I wish I could go out with you. If you liked the video, give it a like and do not forget to share and write in the comments a sentence of what you learned.